my dog chewing a toy. Come on, say hello to the camera. Otherwise I'm taking it away. I'm taking it away if you don't say hi to the camera. There you go. Squeak it. Squeak it for us. Thank you. Thank you. Go, girl. I'm taking this away. What's your growl? What growl? Tug of war. I'm just kidding. Not tug of war today. Or tug of war at all. That's her growl. So she can bite. Oh, and then here is her toys. Sorry. Not too bad. Goodbye.